Hello everybody, welcome to our stylus factory. A good stylus depends on materials, battery life, and functionality. Today, I'll show you what are the different alternative stylus. From a manufacturing point of view, let's talk about the structural materials first. Most of them are aluminum tubes. Why not use plastic? Because the processing wall thickness of aluminum tubes can reach 0.5 mm. While the wall thickness of plastic tubes is 1 mm. Aluminum tubes can be made thinner, and larger batteries can be placed inside the aluminum tubes at the same size, resulting in longer battery life. In addition, plastic requires processing of the moldland, which is more expensive. Therefore, the current mainstream flat replacement uses aluminum tube baking paint technology, which is the optimal solution. Speaking of batteries, in the field of consumer electronics, lithium cobalt oxide batteries are still a mature and stable solution because of their small size, good stability, and high energy density. But the real key is not the battery itself, but the capacity selection. Capacity selection is a key link in the production process of lithium batteries, which can be simply understood as conducting a complete charge and discharge test on each battery, and directly screening out those that do not meet the standards. Simultaneously detect parameters such as internal resistance, self-discharge rate, and power attenuation. Ensure that the battery capacity remains above 80% up to 500 cycles of charging and discharging. The lifespan of a capacitive pen depends not only on the battery, but also on the chip power consumption and antenna design. The lower the power consumption, the longer the battery life. This is why some pens can only last for 10 hours, while others can last for 50 hours. We use palm material for the pen tip, which is characterized by wear resistance, smoothness, and no damage to the screen. It is the mainstream pen tip material in the current capacitive pen market, with an extremely low friction coefficient between the pen tip and the screen, achieving a touch restoration rate of over 98%. In the manufacturing process, we will strictly control the assembly accuracy, with comprehensive tolerances for dimensions, assembly, etc., controlled within 0.1 mm. The complete functional testing includes writing, connection, charging, and discharging, as well as transportation vibration testing, to ensure that each pen is stable in the user's hand. The capacitive pens we are currently making, apart from slight differences in appearance, are generally divided into 4 types of functions. The first type is universal. The second type is classic. The third type features extended battery life, and the fourth type supports magnetic charging. 1. Universal type. Cheap, but average experience without Bluetooth. Suitable for Android tablets. Slightly inferior to iPad experience, because there are too many compatible models. Parameters: 165 mAh battery capacity, with anti-mess operation and magnetic absorption. Use continuously for about 12 to 14 hours. 2. The classic version is highly recommended. Suitable for iPad, with Bluetooth and shortcut keys. Suitable for note-taking and drawing. Compatible with Procreate and GoodNotes software. Experience the closest to Apple Pencil. Parameters: 165 mAh battery capacity, with anti-miss operation and magnetic absorption. It can be used continuously for about 12 to 14 hours. The app software can achieve the following functions: signal adjustment for pen tip modification, modification of shutdown time, and shortcut key settings. 3. The Pencil Max 2, with its ultra-long battery life, offers the best value for money. Without Bluetooth, it is an economical alternative pen suitable for iPad, suitable for long-term use by students, such as note-taking, drawing, etc. Compatible with Procreate and GoodNotes software. Parameters: 230 mAh large capacity battery, an ultra-low power chip, with an extremely low power consumption of 4.6 mA and a battery life of 50 hours, making it a very competitive model. 4. Magnetic charging version. This experience is very good, but it only supports old iPad models, and is not compatible with new models after 2025. For most users, It is recommended to choose the classic Pencil Pro 2 or ultra-long battery life models, one with the best experience and the other with the highest cost effectiveness.